The parking brake is still hooked up, so now I'm inside the truck taking off some of these dash pieces. Holy. This truck is basically paying for itself. I'm gonna be a rich man soon. Money for the transmission, and the engine, and the suspension right there. One of these coins could be worth $7,000. You never know. Oh my. Now look at this. I found a ratchet in my truck. Completely corroded. Yeah, but look at it. It's all wet too. That's why it smells like this. This truck has had this putrid, wretched, stinky smell, and it looks...
That smell. A kind of smelly smell.
It's just collected there over the years. It's all disgusting. Down here, nasty. It's gross. Alright, that has to come up ASAP. That's why it smells so wretched in this thing. It smells like mildew, and this is why. The whole thing is wet underneath. These are our treasures so far. I feel like I'm treasure hunting on a pirate ship. Ratchet doesn't work anymore.
Many months later.
These seats are held in by nuts that require E-sockets. Sockets like this, you can buy them at any hardware store, and they require E14 and E20.
Look at all this currency. I might be able to buy a new engine with all this money I got. I'm gonna start keeping a tally of how much money we get from all these coins that I find. There's so many of them. Guys, this thing was nasty as hell. Look at all this debris. People even smoked in this thing. Everything you don't want in a truck. Since I'm already tackling it, I might as well just pull the rest of the seats out. Pull this and clean it up under there because we know it's wet and that's only gonna cause more damage. Upon first glance, this side looks a lot cleaner, but we're gonna find out once we pull out this trim. A lot more quarters on this side. Well, we got another good lump sum of change here. I think this truck will at least be able to buy us some dinner, maybe for like sheets.
Emotional, damn it!
Here we have a full look, no seats included. Look at all this junk, historic junk. Got my little coin jar. There's that ratchet that we found. Bunch of grody, dirty stuff in here. Next, this is gonna come out. I'm gonna pull that and these, and then we'll pull the dash and pretty much be done on the inside. dog. I can walk in it. Oh, it has Pioneer speakers in it. This is the first decent surprise we found on the truck. Someone put Pioneer speakers in this thing. The radio didn't work, right? I don't think so. We had no idea, but that's nice. At least we'll be bumping eventually.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
You gave it a little too much, too fast.
Yes, I know. That's where I was spun out. Well, and I think my traction control is off now, so it's,
Oh no, keep it on.
but it might stop me.
It might work better.
Nice.
There you go, there you go.
Stop.
Yeah!
There's no part.
Shredded to bits. Ryan, do you know how to get this off?
Oh yeah, you just rip that.
No, you don't. There's two tabs that you push in.
Where? With what?
What do you mean with what? You push them inwards and then you pull on it as you push.
It's not cording here at all, guys. Jesus!
There you go.
Are you just leaving it out? You don't need it.
It keeps ripping more. Oh my god. Oh. No way. This thing was so brittle it just completely snapped. Ow. Cut me. I need those. Hey guys, to end this video, I decided to count all the coins I found in the truck, but instead of telling you how many coins I found, I decided to do something a bit more fun with this and make a giveaway out of it, since it is the holidays and I'm in the spirit of giving. If you want to win this Project Build hoodie, please make sure you either subscribe
and drop a comment down below, or follow us on Instagram and drop a comment in one of our posts with a guess as to how many coins we found. Closest guess wins, and winner will be announced next video. Thanks for watching.